आइए आइए, स्वागत है आपका। आप भी आइए सुरेश जी।
Welcome to the music special of Tech Toys with the recent smashing, record-breaking success of band Baja Barat. Ankit and I decided to drop our jobs as Tech Toys anchors and instead get a job with an actual band playing Shadi music.
And trust me, this is not just any other band. This is the original rock band of India. 85 years in the reckoning. This is India's very own National Hindu Brass Band.
And it's not just any band like Ankit said, right? These are also the guys who inspired the Presleys of Patna in the movie Devdi.
Absolutely.
Ankit, speaking of Presleys, Patna and bands, now music can be a great source of joy and a great source of emotional atyachar.
Musical atyachar, Suresh.
Musical atyachar. Right, so take a look at what we have for you on the music special of Tech Toys.
Everything you ever wanted to know about conversion but was scared to ask, plus a dummy's guide to ripping.
Everybody would like to take a bite out of the apple, but we tell you if you can live without the magic of iTunes.
And we'll show you how to make everybody dance to your fingertips and your favorite tunes. Yeah. Well done. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Right, Ankit. As we can all see from the National Hindu Band, we know music can be a great source of pleasure for all of us.
Absolutely.
It can be your companion in lonely times, it can lift your mood, it can perfectly mirror every emotion you're going through.
Absolutely.
Unfortunately, music can also be the source of lots of atyachar.
Lots of musical atyachar.
Tell us why.
You know, you get a brand new gadget and then you realize that all the music that is sitting on your computer is not in the codec that your brand new gadget or PMP.
Assuming you know what a codec means, which I have no clue.
Okay, which is .mp3 or .wma, all those file formats that all music can be stored in.
There are about 74,000 of them. FLAC, WMV,
at last count.
I don't care, IDC,
millions, Suresh, all of them. So you buy a brand new gadget, you've spent all your crisp green notes on that, you come home and there's so much frustration because you just can't listen to music out of the box.
Not like the National Hindu Band. You can't just start playing and listen to it.
No, definitely
Lots of process.
Lots of processes, which is why we put together the ultimate conversion and music ripping guide for all you geeks and non-geeks and of course all you National Hindu Brass Band lovers.
If music be the food of love, play on. Play it off your CD player, play it off your cassette player, play it off your grandfather's gramophone player. Wait a minute, did that just strike a nostalgic chord in you about all those warm notes flowing off the vinyl player while you were serenading your childhood sweetheart in your courtyard? Well, we believe nothing should stop you from traveling those country roads again. And if your question is how to transfer the music from those vinyl records into your car stereo system or your iPod, well, believe you me, ripping music is easier than you thought. And so, here comes the Tech Toys Dummy's Guide to Music Conversion. You have music in various incomprehensible formats and you cannot play all of them on your mobile phones, iPods and home theaters. Your home theater will want a CDA format to read off a CD, which is not understood by your iPod, which requires an AIFF format, which is not understood by the real audio player on your computer. Well, lesson number 1. Save yourself all the stress and free yourself from this format war. Get yourself an AVS4U audio converter. This software converts your music to just about any format that you want, and the process is so easy that you can do it in your sleep. Select the audio files that you wish to convert, select the conversion format, select the quality of conversion, and you're ready to rock and roll. And if you're away from your computer and your mobile phone is your only jukebox, convert your files online at media.io in your mobile browser. Again, upload the files you wish to convert, select the conversion format and download the converted format back into your mobile phone. You want to show off your country music on your grandfather's gramophone records and your Pink Floyd is scattered across 10 audio cassettes. And just when the setting sun colors the sky crimson, you wish you had those songs playing that very moment.
Almost heaven, West Virginia.
So lesson number 2, convert all the music from all the vinyl records and audio cassettes into a format that can be played on your portable media player. Here's a quick guide. Vinyl records are analog sources of sound. This means that sound is recorded as sound and not as zeros and ones as in a computer or in an iPod or any other electronic device. To be able to play the sound from the vinyl records on your iPod or computer, you need to convert analog sound to digital audio. And AVS for you it is at your service again. Here's your gramophone and your cassette player. And here's your computer. All you now need is an audio editing software, and we recommend AVS for you. Almost all analog musical instruments have some kind of audio output socket, most commonly the ubiquitous 3.5mm jack. Connect that to the audio in on your computer and trigger the audio editing software, and the rest of the process is quite intuitive. Just make sure that the input mode is selected as line in. That's it. Let the warmth of analog music stir your senses along those country roads as they take you home to the place you belong, even to West Virginia.
Country road, take me home.
You have all your music in one folder, but it's one big mass of music, and you wish you had a concierge service to organize it all for you under different playlists to pamper your various moods. Well, lesson number 3. Flula lets you organize all your songs effortlessly in folders according to your moods, genres, singers, or whatever you fancy. It's as simple as creating a folder, labeling them, and drag and drop. And here is some good news for all you angsty iTunes-phobic audiophiles. You can completely bypass iTunes with Flula for the iPod stable and not worry about losing your temper every time you want to exchange music with your friends. All you now need is a song in your heart that adds a skip in your step and sets your feet tapping. So whether you're in a mood to dream and want a song to sing, or feel the beat of the tambourine and watch the dancing queen, nothing should prevent you from indulging in the sound of music, whatever you do, wherever you go.
You know, Ankit, Gandhi famously said, I am a Hindu and a Muslim and a Christian and a Jew, and so are all of you.
Wow.
He said all religions are the same.
Wow.
So this story just showed us how all formats can be made into the same. Very Gandhian in that sense.
Very profound.
Well, Ankit, we have major breaking news. Steve Jobs, why did he go on leave?
The real reason why Steve Jobs, CEO of Apple, has gone on indefinite medical leave, coming up after the break.
I saw iTunes. I went on leave. After the break. Ravi?